The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. A person rents a surfboard for T hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard. Which inequality represents this situation? So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to underline our question. Which inequality represents the situation? So that way I know exactly what we're looking for. Next, I'm going to go back to the question and I'm going to underline the knowns. So right here, we have a $25 service fee. That's one time. We have a rental fee of $10 per hour. We're going to rent the surfboard for T hours. We don't know what T is yet. And we intend to spend a maximum of $75. Spend a maximum of $75. Okay, so we cannot go above 75. And because we are trying to construct an inequality, we know that 75 is going to be the maximum amount. So it will be 75 greater than or equal to, which means that our cost has to be less than or equal to 75. So we have a $25 service fee, that's one time, and we have a rental fee of $10 per hour, so that would be plus 10T, which matches answer choice D.